Are you having trouble with the Instagram Live option not showing up? Don't worry, I'll walk you through a few steps to fix it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the menu icon at the top right of the screen. Scroll all the way down until you find the Help option and tap on it. From here, tap on Report a Problem. Then tap on Include and continue to proceed. Now, you'll see a text box. Paste in the lines explaining that your live option is missing and that you need support. Once you've added the message, tap Send. This will submit your request directly to Instagram's support team. If Instagram doesn't fix it right away, there are a couple more things you can try. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. Sometimes an outdated version can hide features like Live. You can also try using a VPN or proxy to see if the option appears, since certain features are not always available in every region. And that's it. After following these steps, the Live option should be restored, or Instagram will help fix the issue for you. If this video helped, tap that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial.